Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, we have invited 400 school students and other departments, government departments, and their officials also will be attending. From central government, 2 places were declared as iconic places: St. Cathedral Church, Old Goa, and Fort AGUADA. Unvisited places are there, many places in India. So if we could bring it in front, and it will boost tourism, so in that case it will be very helpful. So Brand India Globally is this year's theme for behind this iconic places visiting. Our theme for this year is Yoga for Humanity. Last 2.5 years, with background of COVID, people suffered a lot, and in that era, bad era, we have come to know that pranayam has helped a lot in respiratory disorders. So in that case also,